Unit 13, Part A, Activity 3A. Listen and choose the correct options. Write the answers in your notebook.
Hey! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a few tips on how to improve your health without too much effort. Let's start off with how to achieve good quality sleep. Although some people believe that drinking coffee helps you sleep, you shouldn't drink it right before bed because caffeine gives you an energy boost. So you should just stick to a sleep schedule instead. For example, go to sleep at 9 or 10 p.m. regularly. After getting enough sleep, you might want to take a look at your muscles. Unless you're already happy with your body, you should start following these tips. You should eat meat, fruit, and vegetables. These foods contain protein, which helps build your muscles. In addition, you should also do muscle building, but don't do it excessively. You might be familiar with this point. In movies, people drink alcohol or caffeine when they're stressed, but this isn't a good choice. You should avoid those because they could only make you forget your problems for a short time, and they will create more anxiety and stress, much harder to deal with later. Next, with new diseases around, we should strengthen our immune system. The first thing you should do is to eat more good fats and get enough sleep, around 8 hours. All right, my last piece of advice. If you don't want diabetes, you should stop consuming too much sugar. Stop drinking fizzy drinks and energy drinks every day. Oh, look at the time. I guess that's it for this video. Make sure to keep yourself safe, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.